I'm going to show you how to install Anaconda on your Mac, and then also get your Jupyter notebooks running so that you can access them, edit them, and submit them when you have your assignments due. So the first thing, just to get on the same grounds, is to go into Terminal, and then open up a new terminal window and type in Python. And what you should see is these three little alligators right here. And if you don't, or if it says there's an error, then you don't have Python 3 installed. So if you don't have that, I would recommend typing in your web browser Python 3 and then going to python.org and downloading the latest version and install that. If you need help with that, just look up a tutorial online of how to install Python 3 on a Mac. You just install the latest version, and after that, come back and continue on with this tutorial. Alright, so for the rest of you guys that already have Python 3 installed, we're going to go to Anaconda. We're just going to type that in, and we're going to go to anaconda.com. And we're going to download from MacOS. We're going to wait for this package to download, so give it some time. Alright, and then after it's downloaded, click on it to open it. And we should get a wizard. It says this package will run a program. We're going to click Allow. We're going to click Continue. There's important information. We're going to click Continue again, going to agree with the license. We're going to click Install. And then it will install. We're going to click OK right here. For me, I already have it installed, so I'm good. Click Continue again and close. And then you'll want to move this to the trash, the installation package. Alright, now you'll want to go into Launchpad, and you'll want to scroll over, and you should find Anaconda. So once you open up Anaconda Navigator and get it open, you're going to see this, and this is your main collection or app suite. So we have Jupyter Labs, we have Jupyter Notebook right here, and those are the main ones we'll be using. Now Jupyter Labs is the newest one and it has the most tools around it, but sometimes it won't work properly and you'll have to resort to using Jupyter Notebook. Alright, the next step is to install the Datascience library. So we're going just to go quickly and see if we have it installed. So we're going to type conda list and hit enter. After a second, you'll see all these lines, and we can see they're in alphabetical order. We're going to scroll up to the D, the ones with a D, and right here you can see I have the Datascience library. It says Datascience, one word. If you don't have that, then scroll all the way down again, and then we're going to type pip install Datascience. And Datascience is just one word, and then you will hit enter. And then after that you should be fine. If you want to double check, you can type in conda list again and look for the Datascience in the list. Otherwise, you should have it installed and you should be ready for to open up a project. Alright, so to open up a project, we're going to go and find our file, which I will go and find one. Alright, so we are at the place where we want to get the file, so what we'll do is we'll download the Jupyter Notebook right here. our file downloaded in our downloads folder, or wherever you have saved it specifically. What we're going to do is we're going to go back to Anaconda Navigator, and for this I found Jupyter Notebook works the best to start with. So we're going to click Launch, and it'll open up in our browser, whichever browser you use. And as you can see here are all the folders in the computer. So what we're going to do, since I have it in my Downloads folder, I'm going to click Downloads, and I see a little book right here, which is our Jupyter Notebook lab. I'm going to click on that and open it, and there it is. Here's the entire lab, and we can run each of these cells, and then to save we can do Command S to save our work, and whenever we want to close our Jupyter Notebook we can just close the tabs and then close Anaconda, and next time we want to launch our labs we'll just go to Anaconda and click Launch again, and we'll have our notebook back here. So I hope you guys figured things out, and best of luck.